Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. So I'm doing a few delivery trips for food. I thought I would turn my Lyft app on like I did this afternoon in the city with my Uber app on. That frustrated the crap out of me, and I ended up turning it off after declining 20 trips in a row. Let's see what Lyft is going to offer. It's about 6:14 p.m. I am in the San Fernando Valley. Whoever knows LA knows. This is prime time for people to go out to eat. And I'm very close to a college, so let's see. Let's see how many pings worthy of me turning the ignition on are we going to get. I will not edit this, I will post it as is. Well, I guess that 1 minute is not making any difference. I'm surrounded by those 1 minute signs, and that's supposed to mean 1 to 5 minute wait based on the last 54 rides. Okay. Well, it certainly has been more than a minute. Let's trust the algorithm, right? How's that going to work out for you guys? Let's see what we get. I will run it for 5 minutes. Hopefully we'll get a couple of trips before 5 minutes is out. Or I'll get an Uber Eats order. Are you guys driving for New Year's? We're going to have a little New Year's package, how to do, what to do, on Show Me the Money Club coming up on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Pacific. Join us. Hope you're ready for Christmas. I don't know how many of you are going to drive during the holidays. I'm going to try not to. And as slow as things are these days, I have my Uber Eats app on. Nothing on the background. I have the Lyft app on for the last 2.5 minutes. Not a single ping while I'm sitting on that 3 1-minute signs. Isn't that interesting that they show you that? That I don't get pinged? Well, let's see how many actually drivers are around me. Oh, quite a few. That's good old me right there. Right there. Right there. Well, when you have that many drivers out and you're trying to fish for a trip, I don't think you're gonna get it. Hey Lyft, what's happening with that 1 minute sign? It's not working out, is it? Is it all fake like everything else on all these apps? Man, today my frustrations are boiling over, I'm telling you. You guys probably watched the other Uber rideshare video I put up earlier. I had my app on for 5 minutes. I declined 25 trips in a row probably. None of them were adding up to Dara Khosrowshahi's $32 per active hour. I couldn't even break $20 per active hour, let alone online hour, accepting any of that garbage. And here's Lyft saying, it's so busy, it's 1 minute, you're gonna get it. Mind you, it's Saturday, 6:15. Everybody going out after a rainy week where everybody was cooped up inside their homes. Not a single ping. Now, what does that say? Does that mean the demand is disappearing? Does that mean there are a lot of drivers like you guys saw on my passenger app? Or a combination or both? I'm not sure. Well, I'll give it another minute. No need to keep running this and getting more frustrated and more upset. This is what I want to understand when these CEOs say, oh, $32 per active hour. So they don't count this part. when they talk about active hour. The part that I'm sitting and waiting for the last 5 minutes for a ping, which most likely I'm going to decline because it's going to be a hot garbage. So this is the disrespect that we get because our time is not valuable to these companies. They don't account for us sitting, idling, waiting for a trip or a delivery order. They always somehow extrapolate one single trip we may have done into an hour and say, well, per active hour, sir, nationwide, drivers are earning $32 per hour, active hour per person. Oh, there is a hot mess. $6 for 15 minutes. Actually, that's better than what I saw on Uber today. Respectfully, I will decline. Although, all right, so I got it. There's a $5 scheduled trip up there, 4 minutes away. 13 minutes for $5. So everything is getting priced at like $20 an hour in LA now. Because if this is 13 minutes, which will be probably 15 for $5, and if I do 3 more of these, keeping myself active for the complete 60 minutes, I would get $20. Where is 32, David Risher? Where is 32, Mr. Dara Khosrowshahi? Where is it? I don't think it's there. It's a bunch of hocus pocus, people. Anyway, before I yell and scream more to my phone and people looking at me, I might as well end this misery. You guys be safe out there.